past question number 14. We're given the information below. Drawings 3,500, net loss 2,500, at capital at 1st January 2007 at 35,000, and additional capital of 10,000 naira. The question says the adjusted capital is, as at 31st December 2007, is what? Now, to get adjusted capital, is equals to additional capital is equals to opening capital plus additional capital minus net loss plus drawings. So additional capital is equals to our opening capital is 35,000 plus additional capital of 10,000 minus our net loss of 2,500 plus our drawings of 3,500. So additional capital, adjusted capital is therefore equals to 46,000 naira. So therefore option D, which is 46,000 naira, is the right option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.